Do you value peace, privacy, and enjoy spending time outdoors? Today I'm going to introduce you to something that you probably never knew existed, but you're definitely going to want to see. Right between London and Sarnia, you'll find Rock Glen Family Resort, Ontario's premier private campground. Today we're checking out this Huron Ridge made by General Coach. 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. Let's go check it out. Featuring one of the nicest lots in the park, the privacy here is second to none. You'll love the wraparound porch, the expansive open concept living area, and all the upgrades that are here. Vacation homes like this are awesome. All the comforts at home without the price tag. If you're looking to bring back those fun family getaways at affordable prices, you could do that here at Rock Glen Family Resort. Everything from fishing ponds, wagon rides, and campfires, every day here is like a vacation. If you'd like to take a closer look at what we have to offer, don't hesitate to reach out. Justin Deseck, Sutton Group Select Realty. Bye for now.